Hi all, Bazza here from Bazza's Place. Today's video is looking at the 2021 Alpinestars SP-8 V3 glove. This glove is a replacement for the SP-8 V2 glove.
The SP-8 V3 is available in 4 colour schemes for the men's glove and 3 colour schemes for the ladies or stellar gloves. The SP-8 V3 gloves are priced around $100 US mark. In this video I have the black, white and bright red glove.
So when you buy these gloves, you get the normal marketing material with your normal little information booklet and your tag. So let's have a look at the features of the glove. The cuff itself is a soft foamed protector on the back of the hand. You also have this wrist knuckle protector here. On the back of the hand you also have a accordion stretch panel to allow the glove to flex. Across the knuckles you have your standard TPU protection with 2 little wee air vents to let airflow into the back of the hand. Across the fingers, typical foamed protection across the fingers, and on the 3rd and 4th finger you have the actual bridging material. Let's twist this around. Something very new for this particular glove is the actual wrist strap, which was not available on the version 2 or V2 glove. You also have your protection on your palm and across the actual thumb as well. There is a stretch panel between the index finger and the thumb here, so it allows you for more flexibility. The finger index will allow you to use it for touchscreen devices like your mobile phones, GPS units, iPads and that sort of thing. Also between the fingers there's I don't know if you can see this, but there is a thinner material that allows more breathability between each of the fingers. This might be a bit hard to see on this video. Yes, this glove does have DFS protection across the side of the hand, so it's well protected against any issues when your hand hits the ground. Now what I want to do is show you the difference between the SP-8 V2 and the V3 gloves. As you can see, the cuff protection is slightly different in the stitching. The knuckle protector on the V2 is different to the V3. The V2 has the reflective strip across here. And just one thing to note, the actual grey strip below the SP-8 logo behind the knuckle is not reflective at all. Another thing to note is the height of the padding across the fingers. The SP2 V8 has a higher foam width than it does on the SP8 V3 glove. we have a look at the palm area, you will notice the V3 does not have this additional padding across the meaty part of the thumb. It's missing here. I'm not too sure why Alpinestars have removed that. Maybe for comfortability, but I think it's a safety issue. The stitching across the fingers is more cleaner on the V3 than it is on the V2, as you can see. If I can get a close shot. And the index finger touchable area is a lot bigger on the V3 than it is on the V2. Now for sizing. If you are a medium like myself in the SP-8 V2, you will be the same fitting for the SP-8 V3, so there shouldn't be any differences between one glove to another. So in here I've got the size medium for the V3, and the same size medium for the V2. So if I put this glove on, my fingers stretch towards the end of the actual gloves. So there you have it, a quick review of the 2021 Alpinestars SP-8 V3 gloves. I've put website links in the description area below of where you can actually purchase these.